Good morning, students. Happy Engineers Day to all. India celebrates Engineers Day on 15 September every year as a tribute to the greatest Indian engineer, Bharat Ratna, Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. He was born on 15 September 1860. He was the chief engineer responsible for the construction of Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in Mysore, as well as chief designer of the flood protection system for the city of the Hyderabad. So on this special day, let us do some science activities. See this magic tap, how this water is coming without the water connection? Just think over it. Let us do some more activities. For that, the material needed is water, 3 glasses, transparent glasses, a convex lens, a glass slab, a pencil, a marker and a lemon. So let us start the activity. And another thing, we will be needing a paper, a plain white paper in which I have drawn 2 arrows with the help of marker in the same direction. So let us start the activity. Now first I have taken lemon. See the size of lemon. Now I am putting this lemon into this glass in which I have put the water. See, the size of the lemon has become bigger. Now I am taking this pencil and putting up this pencil in the second glass. See, when I am putting this, see, it seems to be broken here. It seems to be broken at this end. You are able to see. Now, like I told you, you have to take a piece of paper and you have to draw 2 arrows in the same direction with the help of marker like I have drawn. Now in the third glass, just you have to take the precaution that glass should be full of water. Now see, I am bringing it down towards the glass. See what happens and observe what is happening to the arrow. See what you have observed. Yes, the direction of arrow is reversed. See, the same direction. Again I am showing you. The direction of the arrow gets reversed. Just think why all these phenomena are happening. Now, next I am taking a glass slab. See, on this book, physics is written. See. Now I am placing this glass slab on these letters. You can observe this, that this YSI letters are lifted up, but PH letter here is down where the glass slab is not there. Why it is happening? Why these words have been uplifted? Now, last but not the least, let us see the lines of my hand with the help of this convex lens. See, these are the lines. Now look into this. The lines have become bigger. See, you can see the effect, size of the lines. So dear students, why all these things are happening? Yes, just think over it. Just do a little bit brainstorming. Why all these are happening? Yes, students, it is happening because of the refraction. Now I am explaining you one by one. Now let me explain you the principle behind this magic tap. For that, I have to switch it off. See, there is one special pipe is there which is made up of a special material whose refractive index is almost equal to, approximately equal to the refractive index of water. And when the water is coming up from this pipe, because their refractive indexes are same, we are not able to see the effect of refraction here. The principle is the refractive index of this pipe, which is made up of a special material, and the refractive index of water is approximately equal. Now I am again switching it on. See the effect. When the water is coming up from this jug with the help of motor, and it is coming down, and you are not able to see that pipe. So pipe become invisible because of their same refractive indexes. Now come to the other activities. Now in this case, a ray of light is coming from air, then it is going to the glass, then it is going to the water, and after that it is coming out. So refraction takes place because the refractive index of all the transparent medium is different. And as you know, the ray of light, when it is going from a rarer to denser medium, it is bending towards the normal, and then when it is going from denser to rarer, then it is going away from the normal. So same concepts are applied all in these activities. In the pencil case also the same concept is applied, and in this case also, that is why you are able to see the broken pencil here, because of the same phenomena. Now in this arrow case also, in this arrow case you are able to see the arrow in the reverse direction because of the same concept. And when we are using this glass slab, you are able to see the apparent position of these words. So it is uplifted. That is the apparent position, not the actual position. And when we are looking into the hand, the apparent position you are able to see, because convex lens, in convex lens also the refraction of light takes place. So dear students, you can perform these activities at your home and observe the outcomes of the activities. And if you know another activity to show the refraction of light, you can share your activities. Now over to the Shefali ma'am. Shefali ma'am also will show you one activity. Thank you.
Hello dear students, as you all know that 15th of September is celebrated as Engineers Day. So to celebrate that day, we are performing different activities. So here today we'll be performing the activity of making electron dot structures. You can make the electron dot structure of any of the element, and here I am today making the structure of neon, which has atomic number 10. So the electronic configuration will be 2 8. So 2 electrons you have to make in K shell and 8 electrons in the L shell. For this we require a piece of wire which can be folded. You can take it of copper or iron. Then beads or pulses, you can take both of them or you can take one of them. Any pulse you can take, and any type of and color of beads you can take here. Then thread of any color is required. Also a drawing sheet is required. Then Fevicol, and you can also take ready-made crystals or stickers of these beads, which can be used for making the electrons in the electron dot structure. By using a wire and beads, and also with the help of thread and pulses. So here first of all, see this, you have to take a drawing sheet. Then I have pasted circles using the thread. Then I have made the nucleus. You can use ready-made beads or you can use the pulses. I have made the nucleus and I have shown the 10 protons inside it. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. So I have just shown here the protons, which will be equal to electrons. So here electrons are also 10 in number. First, this shell is the K shell, which is having 2 electrons. I have shown the help of pulses. Then in the second shell, L shell, I have made 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is showing the configuration 2, 8. So this is the structure, electron dot structure of neon. Neon is noble gas, as you all know. Its electronic configuration is stable. And here I have used the second model. By using the wire, I have made this. You can use the wire, you can fold it like this in the form of circles. Nucleus you can show like by the tag which I have shown, and K shell, L shell you can show, and you can put the beads, total number of beads in it. Like in K shell we will be showing 2 here, 2 electrons, and in the L shell I have shown here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is neon. And here you can use your creativity also. You can use different materials present at your home and you can make the electron dot structure like I have made the 2 electron dot structures. So it's up to you that how you perform this activity.